row. What are you guys doing? Okay? Now I want all of you guys raise your hands. Raise both your hands. Raise both your hands. Hands up. Shake your hands. Roll your hands. Put them down. Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention?
Yes,
Louder. Do I have your attention? Okay, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Okay, I won't take much of your time. So, being a doctor, it's not just about being a doctor. All the workers in medical force, they're very, I would say very patient. They have the qualities of patience. They have the qualities of hard work, and they have the qualities of selfless character. What does selfless character mean? What does selfless character? Does anyone know? Students up here? What does selfless character mean? They care about others before they put themselves. And I don't think that's just a quality that doctors should have. Everyone should have selfless character. You should put the others needs before your needs. Okay, that is what a basic quality of a human should be. So, I want to share a few words on how I feel that I can just give you some tips or give some knowledge about how a doctor can make things easier, okay? So everyone raise your hand. How many fingers do you have on your hand? 5 fingers. You have 10 fingers? On one hand, how many fingers you have? 5, right? So do you guys know A, B, C, D, right? So A, first finger is A, second finger is what? D. Third finger? Fourth finger? And fifth one, yes, A, B, C, D, E, right? So, I'm going to tell you how you can make everything easier. You don't have to go to the doctor probably if you follow all of these 5 perfectly. So, A, what do you guys think A is? Always wash your hands. Okay, so say it with me. Always wash your hands. When do we wash our hands? When do we need to wash our hands? Before eating, then? After using the washroom, and anything, okay? If you are going to hug anyone, if you after interacting with someone, okay? After a long day, after you go back home after school, what do? Wash your hands and you wash your feet, right? So, A is what? Always wash your hands. B, does anyone know what B is? B. Almost, what is B? Breakfast. I'm pretty sure half the students here don't eat proper breakfast and come, even teachers also. Okay, breakfast. You have to eat a nutritious breakfast. Okay, what is a nutritious breakfast? Just 2 slices of bread and you come to school. What should you do? You have to have a proper breakfast because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Because you're breaking what? 12 hours of fast, right? You sleep at night, what time do you eat breakfast? What time do you guys eat breakfast?
Sleeping before.
You guys will eat it before coming to school. You have to eat very good, right? So what is A? What is A again? B? Breakfast. C. What is C? What is C? C. Guess, I want middle school students to guess. Cleanliness. Okay? Before keeping these, I'm not telling you to go clean the whole country and come. No. If you keep your surroundings, keep your desk clean, you have to keep your classroom clean and keep your school clean. Once you go home, you have to keep your room clean, help your mother do chores, right? So what is A again? B is? C? Cleanliness. You have to be clean. Now D, what is D? Okay, middle school students, what is the happy hormone? Who said that? What is it? Say it louder. Come here. Come here and say it. Dopamine. Okay, so dopamine is the happy hormone. Always do it with a smiling face. No matter what you do, you have to do it with a smiling face. Automatically, your day will go very well. So do it with a smiling face. Dopamine. Everyone repeat with me. Dopamine. What is dopamine known as? Happy hormone. Say happy hormone. Next one, E. Last one. What is E? This is easy. What is E? Exercise, very good. You have to exercise, constantly move. Every day you have to have a sport. You have to have an activity. Once, okay, who after going home, how many of you guys play? Outside, I'm not saying inside on the phone. So only boys do. Girls, you don't go out and play. You have to do it, okay? So this will, you guys don't need to go to the doctor. You will be perfectly healthy. So what is A again? I need to hear it loud, loud. A. B. C. Cleanliness. D. Dopamine. E. So this is the 5 rules. A, B, C, D. If you A, B, C, D, E. If you follow all of these, you don't need to go to the doctor. You'll be perfectly healthy. This just does not go for you. You have to teach your family. Okay?